Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious Christmas braised red cabbage. I'll begin by cutting the bottom of a whole red cabbage, peeling off the outer leaves and then cutting in half. I'll cut out the core and then chop into thin slices. Next, I'll peel and slice one medium-sized red onion. So I've already peeled a couple of apples. I did want to use cooking apples, but they didn't have any at the market. So I'm just going to core and dice two medium-sized dessert apples. Okay, to my oven-proof dish, I've melted 1 tablespoon of butter. To that, I'll add the sliced red onions. I'm just going to keep them moving under a medium heat until they're nice and soft. And after a few minutes of cooking, as you can see, the onions are nicely cooked down, and now I'm going to add the chopped apples. I've turned the heat off at this point, and now I'm just going to mix the apples into the onions. Next, I'll add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So I've given the cabbage a good wash, and that goes in as well. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now I'll throw in a couple of handfuls of dried fruits. Apricots, raisins and sultanas would all be good. I'm using sultanas. And now I'm just going to give everything a really good mix through. You could at this point add about 3 cloves, but I really don't like them, so I won't be adding it to mine. And now I'll season with some salt. And next I'm adding 100 milliliters of boiling hot water. So after one last mix, I'll pop the lid on. I'll cook in a preheated oven at 150 Celsius for 30 minutes. I will check in between that time after 15 minutes and give it a stir and make sure there's enough water. So there it is, delicious braised red cabbage after 30 minutes of cooking. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thanks for watching. Take really good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.